Hey folks, this is John Vesco with Remax. It's Easter Sunday, 2021, and I'm sitting here between Morehead City, North Carolina and Newport, North Carolina at the Highway 70 rest area in beautiful North Carolina. Just to give you an idea, it's about 65 degrees. It's a little bit windy, and I'm at the local boat ramp provided by the state of North Carolina between Morehead City and Newport. Real great secret. Nobody comes down here. It's real nice. They have obviously what you're looking at now. I don't know if you can see it. Let's see if we can get it in there. Take it. Over there in the distance is the bridge between Morehead City, North Carolina and Atlantic Beach, North Carolina. This is the sound that goes into the intercoastal waterway. Pretty quiet day today out here. The only thing out here is some seagulls, some relaxed cars, people feeding the seagulls. You're looking at over there Atlantic Beach, North Carolina. Keep going all the way up. North Carolina, east, then up farther up that way, you're going to start hitting Emerald Isle, North Carolina, Cedar Point. Real nice little place. Nice little secret. I'm going to try to show you the backside. Here is the parking area. I can't really see that well. The dock is moving on me because it's a little windy out. But here's the boat ramp, Morehead City, North Carolina. If you're down in this area, stop by. Ask me any questions you want. My phone number is 252-808-7056, or send me an email at johnvesco@remax.net.